um, I wanted to talk about the domino effect as well when we talk about writing part. But when you see a movie, just something happening without any reason or like rhyme or reason, and it just happened,
Yeah,
it's very difficult to digest. And for me, I feel like it's laziness of a writer
yeah, yeah,
to give a reason behind it. So I feel like most of the Hollywood movies, like most of the good Hollywood movies that I've learned from, like always has that aspect. Like it's not like without any rhyme or reason. There's always something that caused it. Um, yeah, these are the few things that comes into my head when I talk about like Indian cinemas versus Hollywood.
yeah, yeah. They are definitely mm, like more professional, and they plan better. I feel like there is a lot of work that goes pre the movie taking place. Like the pre-production is quite high quality. The actors are called for rehearsals like way ahead of time. The chemistry tests are done like much more rigorously, and at any given point, like the actors could can be potentially changed if the scene is not translating. I feel like the process is much more vigorous, because I feel like they want to deliver a very high quality picture, and it shows. It definitely shows. Like it not only shows in the quality of the picture, like the as like the how crisp the picture is, but also how crisp the acting is.